You do not need to convince your narcissistic ex. You do not need to win an argument with them. You do not need to prove your point. When you're in a divorce or custody battle with a toxic narcissistic ex and you are communicating with them outside of court, whether that be text message, email, or through some sort of parenting app, and they are making false allegations, you do not need to win the argument. All you need to do is respond with, that's not true, period. No clapback, no counterpunch, nothing. And if they say, yes, it is true, here's why, you do not go further. You do not try to prove your case, and you certainly do not share evidence with them to prove your point. Because here is the deal. When you are arguing with a narcissistic ex outside of court, they will continue to move back the goalposts. They will continue to move the end zone. And they will redirect into different areas of allegations. So you're not going to win the argument with them. So do not waste your time trying. And in fact, when you do waste your time trying and when you share evidence with them, you are hurting your case. Because now you are sharing evidence with them that they didn't otherwise have. Now they can change their story and move into different accusations. And you are hurting your case by doing that. Plus, when they do this, they are trying to distract you from other areas in the case that actually matter. It is a strategy that they consistently use. They will make various types of false allegations to get you to continue to defend and prove your point. Then they'll switch the goalposts and go somewhere else, all to keep you distracted from what really matters in the case. So stay focused on what matters in the case, gather your evidence separate of them, and simply respond to them with, that's not true.